Good morning to everyone. I am Prashad, Harvard Degree College, K. Paramalapuram, lecturer in physics. Today we are discussing about physics subject, 5th semester. Paper number 5. The paper name is Electric Field Intensity and Potential. Before we discussing about electric field intensity and potential, we know that one of the scientists, the scientist name is Gauss. The full name of Gauss, Carl Friedrich Gauss. It is a mathematician, scientist and physics. He was born on 13th April 1977. Sorry, 1777. Okay, and he was died on 23rd February 1855. It is a great mathematician scientist, and he was write a novel. That novel name is Prince of Mathematica. We going on topic. Gauss theorem. Statement of Gauss. The electric flux through any closed surface and the flux indicated from pi. Any closed surface is equal to one by epsilon naught times of net charge. From this statement, the electric flux indicated from the pi. Pi means flux. Electric indicated from E, which is equal to 1 by epsilon times 1 by epsilon times of net charge, and where A is the net charge, A is the net charge, epsilon naught is the permittivity in free space. Pi of E is the electric flux, which is equal to the integral of closed surface E bar dot ds, where pi of E is the electric flux and Q is the net charge enclosed by the closed surface, and H naught which is equal to permittivity in free space. And A is the electric field. Before going on in this topic, electric flux. What is electric flux? And explain from the electric flux. Electric flux, it is indicated from pi of E. Electric flux is defined as the number of electric field lines passing through the area and perpendicular to the area is called electric flux. Totally it is can be simply defined as the number of electric field lines passing through the area and perpendicular to the area. And let us take it as rectangular slab, and in this rectangular slab the number of electric field lines are passing through left to right and mutually perpendicular. This is the closed path, and this total is indicated from the flux pi. And another example, let us take it as a closed path. In this closed path, number of field lines, electric field lines means electric field lines, and the total electric field is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of electric field lines, and is called as flux, electric flux. And electric flux has been denoted by pi, and it can be written as pi of E equal to E bar dot ds. E bar dot s, and s is the surface and E is the electric field, pi is the flux. And in this formula, it can be written as non-uniform motion, and it can be written as pi non-uniform electric field d pi is equal to E bar dot ds. This is the differentiate in both sides. Before it has been proved. Proof of Gauss theorem.